Morning everybody, Todd here, Mark Legacy Acres. Hey, today, well, we had rain and rain and rain. So I can't get the tractor in here to help me pull some of this stuff. And I don't know if you can even see, but we've got the pond back there that we've been working on trying to get a view of from up on top of the hill where we call the home site. So for at least the next couple hours, we're going to try and get some of these trees out, chainsaws, a little weed eating, pulling some stuff out that I can with the Ranger, things along those lines. So we'll see what we can accomplish. Come along with us, won't you? All right, everybody, let me show you what we got done today. So we got quite a bit done. The pond looks ugly today. I know that. Like I mentioned before, we had a ton of rain, and well, it all fed into the pond. So it's also getting a little bit of an algae bloom. So I think next time we're on the property, we'll probably bring some dye it up a little bit. If you guys know anything about dyes, let me know. And I don't want to look like putt-putt golf course blue, anything like that. But I'm thinking maybe doing it half blue, half black. I know black sounds weird, but I've read good things about it. Apparently it gives a nice shine on the top, get a mirror finish. But we're really happy with the way that goes. And like we've mentioned, we're going to do this a little bit at a time. I think next time we're going to take some of those trees out over here. And when we get the tractor back over here, we'll get those stumps pulled out and probably take down all of those trees right there and get us a more view of the pond every single time we're here. So again, thanks a lot for being here, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you would, if you want to follow along with us, hit that bell so that you're notified every time that we have a new video up. It's going to be a great journey. We're loving this. It's hard work, don't get me wrong. And Judy did as much or more on this. I want to give her props. I couldn't get her on camera, but anyway, she did a great job. She was a trooper. So thanks again, everybody, and we will see you next week.